All right, welcome back, everyone. Market gapping up. Whoa, big surprise. Remember a week ago when the world was ending? And, you know, if you watched the boob tube, they were telling you to get in your bunker. Sell all your stocks. Sell all your long-term holdings. The world's ending. Yeah, here we are. You know what? 0.5% from all-time highs. Anyway, that being said, welcome back, everyone. Let's get right to work. SRNE and news. What do you think? SRNE. I will always remember SRNE on May 15th, 2020. May 15th, 2020 was the day the world changed. And it was SRNE, and it traded 500 million shares in one day on dubious news, and the market forever changed. That being said, 60,000 shares. Listen, guys, and I hate to be the person that throws a wet blanket on, but, and remember, I always feel like I have to give a disclaimer in these situations. I am not downplaying coronavirus. I'm not downplaying any of it. I mean, it's real, okay? But here's the thing. No one cares anymore, okay? You got to separate. And this is something that you need to do mentally. You need to disconnect. I mean, ultimately, this is going to sound a little weird, but when you're talking short-term trading, you need to disconnect yourself from reality, okay? And bear with me here. Coronavirus is real. It's huge. The world will forever be different. But when we're talking day trading, no one cares anymore. It's like weed stocks, man. No one cares. So, sorry to throw a wet blanket on your SRNE, but look at all those resistance lines. I mean, this thing's got to break through 10, 1025, 1050, 11 to go anywhere. It's just there's a brick wall of resistance, and no one cares. Day trading wise, okay? RBLX. So Roblox was, oh, what crap, where's my notes? Getting too far ahead of myself. Pre-market live stream. And it is the 11th, and I gotta get this crap out of the way. 3/11/2021. So, SRNE, quote unquote, no one cares. And then RBLX. So successful IPO so far. Geez. Wow, I didn't see this gap up this morning. Wow. So I was about to say, I was about to, again, throw a little bit of a wet blanket on Roblox, but wow, look at that freaking gap up. Jeez, oh, Pete. So let's hit the whiteboard on this, man. Higher price stock, ultimately, but right now we got ourselves a VWAP hold on a hot sector momentum play. So you know what's coming, son. I love the fact that this is a gapped up. What is that? Like a 20% gap up in pre-market. So 2 p.m. VWAP holds as long as this. So again, if you're new, green line stock price, yellow line's VWAP. As long as this thing's above VWAP, we're into day 2, and this is the most significant thing to me. If you heard, I rapidly changed my opinion from saying I'm not in love with Roblox, but you get a 20% gap and it's holding a 10% gap. That's very intriguing to me. So if this is above VWAP into the afternoon, hammer it for a swing trade. So love this early AM gap. Standard swing entry on a real hot sector stock. 2 p.m. VWAP holds for overnight, multi-day, week idea, risk on VWAP fails. Yeah, Buzz. So Buzz today might be the day for Buzz as well. So yeah, no volume in pre, but remember, same plan as 4 days ago. 25 breaks, risk on 24. So same idea as, it's a week ago, right? Roughly, end of last week. Same idea as, I'll say, 4 to 5 days ago. 25 break, risk on 24. Goal high 20s. NVFY pump and dump, probably. NVFY Nova Lifestyle, yeah. Wait. This is another obesity play, is it? No, okay. There was another one. Actually, remember, go back till yesterday on OBLN. Man, I nailed the ignore on OBLN. Oh, I remember these guys. These guys got these disgusting cheese ball. So these guys are like the how do I want to put this politically correct? So I'm a huge fan of like Herman Miller and Steelcase. Like Herman Miller, Michigan-based, by the way, an amazing company. Look in the history of Herman Miller. Amazing company history, 100-year-old company, makes some of the best modern furniture out there. NVFY is like if Herman Miller got hit in the head and suffered multiple concussions. So they make like cheap, rip-off, junk, hideous, modern furniture. So that being said, geez, why is it up so much? This is reverse split? No? All right. Short it. Short it with risk on 9. NVFY afternoon short, straight out of the ebook. Afternoon fades under VWAP. Risk on high. That is the number 1 short pattern out of the top 10 favorite patterns book. Do not short early. It is low float. So, walleye gill, I agree. Joke of a pump and dump. Let it squeeze out early. Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot and short a low float stock at the market open. You will blow up. Okay? Notice, all caps. Don't short early. Late day fades, man. Remember the story of the 2 bulls. Okay? Google the story of the 2 bulls. Don't be the young bull. Okay? If you're the young bull on a low float stock at the market open, you're gonna get run over. Be the old bull. PHUN. I say ignore. Terrible chart. SIEB. Earnings. Multi-month breakout. Yeah, there's your dip and rip. So 945 dip and rip over 8. Not the best volume, but kind of a just know, guys. Little bit of a quieter day out there. Okay, so just know that nothing's screaming at me this morning. But SIEB, I like this over 8 on a 945 move. Would like to see more volume. Now, I will say this. It's funny how you get spoiled. And I know you guys always get annoyed when I go into the old man, the way it used to be. I had to walk uphill both ways to school, I will say this. 2 years ago, if I had an 11 million floater trading 3 million shares at 8:40 a.m., I'd probably be losing my mind. I'd be like, oh, I can't believe it. But remember, the market evolves, market changes, and right now, 3 million shares at 8:40 a.m. is like nothing. APDN is back on the high day. No volume. All right. SIEB, PRTY. This is that stupid. I mean, you guys know what PRTY is. Party City Holdings. Disgusting. This just goes back to another one. Who cares? Who cares about I mean, they make like balloons and like just junk Chinese merchandise for parties. It's like, yuck. Jared Backstrom, ENTX. Ooh! What do we got here? Thank you, Jared. So this just ripped right when I went live. All right, let's wrap up on this. Thank you, Jared. ENTX. Low float. Already rotating float in 5 minutes. Beautiful. 5 minutes. 52-week highs. Yep. Okay, we got 52s as well. Jared, gold star, you're the man. We got what do these clowns do? 8:30 press release. Oh! You guys know, what am I going to say? What am I going to say? Thank you. Well done. 8:30 press release. That's how you play the game, my boys. Osteoporosis, blah, 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 blah. The news is junk, but here's the thing. This is what I love. Okay, news very dubious on ENTX. But here's where they redeemed themselves. Quieter morning, not much going on, and they dropped that PR right at 8:30. So, news is meh, but I love the timing. Well done, sketchy penny stock. I always appreciate when a sketchy penny stock knows how to play the game. All right. Let's check out the management team. Oh, no pictures. I can't make fun of them without pictures. The board of directors, nah. Ooh, oh, what do we got here, too? Oh, this looks nice. Oh, yeah. Yes! Their office is in the parking garage of an old elementary or high school. Beautiful. Down on 54 Walnut Street. There you go. Beautiful. Jared, you're the man. You got your number one dip and rip. So what are we going to do on this guy? We're going to let it set the top. Ideally around 4. So now I can't predict the top. We got 45 minutes to the open. But I'm hoping this chops around, does that week open. And at any point in the day, as long as we got float rotation, if this reclaims the HOD, that's your entry. And you're going to set risk. I don't care if you set your risk based on percent on a key level on the chart, dollar amount. Okay, you can risk $100, risk $200 depending on the size of your account. Maybe you risk $500, and also let's hope we lure in the chat. So get us a chat room pump to suck in the shorts, and let's rip this over 4. Beautiful. Well done, ENTX. All right, have a great day, guys. Check out the Steady Trade team. Check out the podcast, blog post, etc. Have an amazing day, and we will see you next time.